या millennials?
10 to 6 means 10 to 6.
True Gen Z.
Yeah, Rachel from Suits.
Urgent, urgent, and urgent.
It's one thing I hate about
The Gen Zs don't understand about millennials.
pink slippers. They don't know what is cottage core. I got to know. I don't like anything as of now.
No, not only on work. It's totally no for me.
Matchas, blazers, sheet
Cold emails.
सभी करते हैं.
What?
That's our duty.
Learn from Gen Zs.
Text calls, memes, emojis, or voice notes.
Stress or this or that.
Do you also check your mail?
No, never. I really like dressing up. It's like yeah.
See you next time on That's So Madhita. Hello everyone, welcome back to another fun episode of That's So Mudita. For those who don't know, this is where we talk about fashion, lifestyle and everything in between with zero filters. Well, talking about fashion, everyone has their own taste. While some end up in their office wearing baggy jeans with matcha in hand with full character energy, and that exactly is Gen Zs. And on the other hand, we have millennials who just come up with their iced coffees or maybe sipping their garam chai with little low-key burnout vibes. But now the question is, कौन better है? Gen Zs या millennials? And what exactly happens जब ये दोनों साथ में काम करते हैं with different opinions? Well, in our today's episode, we'll find out. So let's dive in. For Gen Z's team, we have Ipshita and Krati. Welcome to our show.
Thank you.
And from Millennial Mafia, we have Shomi and Shrishti.
Hi.
So I need to ask सबसे पहले before I go with my list of questions कि आपको ऐसा क्या लगता है Gen Zs को कि millennials के बारे में सबसे weird चीज़ क्या है?
I think they're always overworked.
Overworked?
Something- Yeah. I think they always text without emojis.
That's funny.
That's scary. I think they use shortcuts which half of the people don't even understand.
Okay. आपको क्या लगता है सृष्टि?
And I think the way of they do works like smart and like very fast. So that's so new and new techniques to do that thing. Where like we think कि how that is that's the way we can do that work.
इसमें weird क्या है लेकिन?
It's not weird. It's like a good point.
Weird क्या लगता है आपको? कि आपको लगता है कि मुझे समझ नहीं आता Gen Zs का ये trend या style की मतलब सर के ऊपर से चला गया? नहीं कुछ भी नहीं. Wow, this is something interesting to note. Okay, so I have a rapid game for you. मैं आपसे कुछ पूछूंगी और आपने बताना है उसमें से choose करके. First, millennials and then Gen Zs.
Okay.
So how do you like to communicate? Text, calls, memes, emojis, or voice notes?
Memes,
Okay, that's not a millennial thing.
Calls.
Calls.
text, voice notes.
What does work-life balance mean for you?
Work between the working hours only.
Okay.
There is nothing as work-life balance. 50-50.
What 50-50?
I mean 50% work and 50% fun.
50% work, 50% fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I agree. If I'm in office for like 8 hours, I would like to go out for 8 hours after office. I would go and enjoy.
And then come again tomorrow. in
And
the
then come
office.
again tomorrow, yeah.
Is hustle culture dead? मतलब आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इतना ये जो rat race चल रही है इसमें this hustle culture has been like fade away.
I think it's still there. People do hustle each and every day for something.
Yeah, because like it's like a work thing only. Like you can't say anything no to the work. It depends like on the off also we need to do that because it's our responsibility only that, and we are accountable for that.
Okay, so you are someone that who check mails after 8 p.m.
Sometimes depends upon my mood.
Okay. Okay. Do you also check your mails?
No, never.
So it's an all Gen Zs. Do you also check your mails after 8 p.m. or like completely ignore?
I don't open my Gmail.
I don't.
We only check DMs.
Yeah, I really check DMs.
Okay, so out of all four of you, who starts their day with a to-do list?
I do actually.
I do.
You do.
And I force her to do as well.
Okay, so talking about fashion at work, which is very important, I want to know that do Gen Zs, do you ever try to dress professionally?
We call it effortlessly chic.
So do you also want to wear secretly Crocs to work or some sneaker or cool outfit, or you're okay to dress professionally?
No, it's cool outfit is okay because in the fashion industry, like there is no like formal types of blue things. So it's like formal casual wear, comfy wear. So that's
Okay.
so.
Okay, a question which is for all four of you: that are you dressing for HR or for Instagram?
HR.
Can we say both?
Like
For
as in
myself?
for the rules or for your own Insta?
I think Instagram.
Okay. Describe your everyday work look in 3 words.
Get up from sleep and come to work.
Get up from sleep,
Sleep and come to work.
It's urgent, urgent, and urgent. That's
And describe your personal work look style in 3 words.
I think I just wake up and I pull, whatever comes in my hand.
Yeah,
from my
same.
wardrobe and I just
Agreed.
wear it. Because obviously there is no like there are no rules in office, so it's
Okay.
like you need to wear whatever you want.
So it's easy and
Easy and easy.
I really like organizing my outfits. I like have a specific app for it. So
Oh
I really
my
like organizing my outfits like clueless.
Which app is this? Please tell us.
I'll tell you after this.
Fine, do tell me. Okay, who in the office has the best style? If you have to just,
Krati.
glean from each other.
Yeah.
Krati.
I'll take mine.
Okay, what's one fashion item you'll never wear to work, no matter how much trendy it is?
I think pink slippers.
Pink slippers. Okay.
I used to come in slippers.
Slippers is fine, but not pink. Fluorescent pink.
I guess skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans. Okay, they're out of fashion also.
Sneakers, shoes.
You won't wear.
No, not at
What
all.
do you wear?
Heels.
Heels.
Heels for platforms.
Yeah, heels and no heels. No heels.
No,
For me.
same.
He's like all 6 days
Yeah,
for
yeah,
8 hours.
yeah, she
you okay
comes
with it? She's someone who's comfortable in heels,
Yeah.
apparently. Okay, so do you feel that your outfit reflects how you feel or how confident you're looking, or maybe from
Yeah,
inside?
it's totally true that because someday I feel like I don't just want to wear a t-shirt and tights. That's like I don't want to do, like I want to be comfy all the day. And sometimes I feel that I want to be like dress up properly, like it's my day, like I want to be like
Full
best.
vibe.
Yeah, that's all.
I think my dress up depends on my mood, which most of the day is not good, so I don't dress up at all. Maybe once a month I dress up. That's fair.
I really like dressing up. It's like a part of my routine.
Yeah, obviously you have an app.
I think it just depends on the day. If I'm feeling good, and it depends how early I wake up. If I wake up, late when I'm supposed to, I'll dress up nicely. Otherwise, I'll just come
Okay.
like that.
So have you ever felt pressure to dress a certain way at your work?
Yeah, sometimes when I need to go to the events, it's like pressure only. Like I need to be like smart, casual.
She asks before the day of the event, what should I wear? This dress or this or that? And it's
Yeah,
like, okay,
so
wear
that's
this.
only like we need to be presentable on that day. Now, so
Okay.
it's that way.
I think there's no pressure as such.
Totally Gen Z and millennials. बिल्कुल वो वाली vibe है. Okay, one thing that you think that your generation will never give up.
Like working after the working hours. I guess that is.
Gen Zs are too cool to care, so that's something that we should learn from them.
Is that true?
Yeah.
I think for some, I think for some, not everyone, but I think some who are totally into proper Gen Z, they do.
One thing you think that your generation will never give up.
Matchas,
Matchas.
boards, vision boards.
Yeah, maybe.
One thing that you don't understand about them. The Gen Zs don't
Cold
understand about
emails.
millennials. Coldy?
Cold emails.
Cold emails. What does that mean?
Isn't that a thing in millennials?
Okay. Is there something in millennials which means cold thing?
emails. Cold emails.
What do you don't like about Gen Zs? Or maybe you don't understand one thing.
Those texts I don't understand. Short forms like WUT, what,
Acha.
all those
Slangs.
things.
Every-
Okay. Slangs, right. Okay. If you could change one workplace thing, what would it be according to you?
I think we should have Saturdays off. That
What
would
do you
be
think?
great.
Yeah.
I
That's
need fun, more fun colors on walls.
Most fun colors on walls.
Like grey.
She wants
The
more fun
paintings are-
vibe in the office. What's your I need to impress today outfit?
In summers, dresses, skirts, and all flowy, floral, cute pastel colors, like that way. Like cute outfits.
Okay. What you
I
love?
think jeans and crop tops, yeah, my go-to.
What's your favorite outfit?
I think I like blazers a lot. Blazers,
The power
trousers.
Boss babe vibe.
Yeah, but not exactly.
Exactly.
We don't dress up that way. Yeah, maybe
Maybe,
colorful
yeah.
blazer, something nice.
Heels at work, yes or no?
No,
No, never.
not only on work. It's totally no for me.
Yeah, it's a no-no.
Yes. So talking about fashion, एक ऐसी चीज जो आपको लगता है that I mean you feel that it's best from your generation. That one fashion trend for millennials that you think is the best and should come back.
I think we don't give much efforts. We are just effortless and we just go like, this is it, that's it. You can get this much only, not more than that.
What do you think? आपका क्या कोई ऐसा fashion trend आपको अच्छा लगता है? Which is best from your generation?
I can't say anything. That I to love it, wear to wear anything. So I'm not like in that
Zone.
era only कि नहीं आया तो wear that only. तो it's
Okay, Gen Zs में से आपको कौन सा अच्छा लगता है? आपको कोई fashion trend that you really like?
baggy jeans.
Okay. What
I
do you
think nowadays Gen Zs do Y2K fashion, which
Yeah.
I am in awe of, but I don't think I am capable of carrying that yet. But I really love that. Like all the aesthetics and everything, it's really nice.
the aesthetic vibe. What do you think?
From millennials, I think flared jeans. I really like flared jeans.
Yes.
Bell bottom.
And peplum tops.
Okay. It's back. in
Yeah,
fashion.
bell bottoms,
Back,
peplums.
So do you think that this wearing blazers and wearing these professional outfits, it's okay at work, or you want to change this?
Not
No.
in our office. Not okay. I have seen people wearing and they make a lot of noise. Those shoes and those blazers formally dressed. I can't. Sorry. I'm so sorry. No, not particularly you, but in general.
I try to like keep
No,
it
yeah,
very
it's not for you. But then again, ekdam professionally dressed like a corporate office. I don't think anyone does that in our office.
Yeah.
I think
like that.
I think it doesn't
That's
happen in the fashion industry.
at
Yeah.
all. Yeah.
Because I think we were not even forced in our colleges to wear
wear,
formal
yeah.
and everything.
Yeah.
On juries, it was mandatory, but then
Still,
again,
it was
semi-formals.
fashionable. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So no one used to wear proper formals.
Okay, so you believe that there is something called work fashion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is
There
something
is,
like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
If someday we wear formals, like everyone asks कि आज क्या हो
What is
गया?
today? Huh?
Okay, what about wearing suits? You like wearing that Indian wear?
Yeah, like I have like fixed my days. Like one day I will wear this. One day shirts, top, crop top, Indian wear. Like I have planned my week like this way.
But
Like
you just said that you don't know what to wear. You just grab whatever you want.
no, that's Krati.
But still you don't plan your outfits.
No, like not like properly planned, and I try to like do my week planned week like that way only. But it totally depends on my mood. If like in the night I have a bad mood, so in the morning like, I will grab the clothes and go to the office.
Okay, so in your mind you're planning your outfits.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think? Or something like work outfits.
I think there are work outfits. Gen Zs that bring out waistcoats and pants, like matching waistcoat pant sets for work fashion.
Okay, so who's your fashion icon? Like who you really love? Who's got fashion style like you totally admire?
Like quick celebrity types or
Yeah,
like,
celebrity, some influencer maybe that I really love her fashion sense.
I like it, I wear it. That's all.
I think Rachel Green, again, I have said this last time as well. I think
Okay.
she is my icon to dress up the way at work, but then not in this office again.
I really like Rachel from Suits. Her wardrobe is like my dream wardrobe.
Okay. Who you love, Pratik?
I think I follow hundreds of people on Instagram. So there's no fashion icon. But I think it'll be very generic, Emily in Paris. But I don't want to name it, but then I
Then
can understand.
yeah.
So when you come to the office every morning, what you think? Like, आज ये करूँगी मैं, आज ये नहीं करूँगी.
Yeah, in the morning only I have to make the list like and then mark them with the
Pink
highlighter, pink
Pink
highlighter.
highlighter.
Yeah, that's I have done this and all. So I do the listing and all. So it's good way only like I can't skip the work.
और एक चीज आपको लगता है आज करनी ही नहीं है. I will not do this only.
I keep in mind, but when then come urgent, then I need to do that. I can't skip anything. Like sometimes it's like I have planned my things, but from like that only I come that you need to do this, submit this, that, ye, wo. So I
okay.
need to do that only and forgot my list.
Okay, so you have to follow the deadlines all the time.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you follow deadlines?
Yeah, I try to, but sometimes it's not possible always to give everything just at like if someone wants it at 3, it's not possible to give it always at 3. It can be 3:15 or 3:20, and that should be manageable.
Okay. Do you follow deadlines?
Yeah,
Are you lazy?
have to.
Yeah, we have to actually.
Exactly.
Okay, that was our rapid fire. काफी अच्छे answers दिए आप लोगों ने. And now I have a fun game for you that is called Blame It on Jen. I have these 4 cute pink arrows. ठीक है, I'll ask some questions and you have to point to each other. Like, suppose if I ask a question and you think that for that answer, for that question, she is the one, then you point to her and just say her name. ठीक है?
That
Cool. Okay, who sends a 3-line WhatsApp message instead of one complete sentence?
us.
3 lines messages.
I think सभी करते हैं.
No one. says
Everybody
it.
does that because
because
we
you
have
have to
to-
explain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is no other option to send this.
Amongst you 4, like, who sends this more? I'm just talking about all.
That's the mandate. Everybody has to say it.
Yeah.
If we had the option, we would have sent one word.
Yeah.
Just
Okay. Who's most likely to leave a voice note instead of texting?
Krati.
I see that.
3 minutes long.
Okay, then you voice note person, like she told us. Who needs 3 coffees before starting work?
I think Srishti
I
and
think
Krati.
Srishti.
And Krati.
Both. Huh?
What do you love them?
I don't drink at work. Like I don't drink at work, coffee or tea. Not
She only drink.
Okay.
after work.
What do you drink? Matcha?
No, I hate matcha. I only eat fruits.
Then why you mentioned the matcha?
Because our generation loves it.
Do you love it?
No.
Oh my God.
Then you don't.
But I like matcha. Matcha is
She
nice.
loves matcha then only for trend only.
Yeah, she's pressurized to like it.
Okay. Who actually utilizes their breaks to the fullest?
Ipshita.
Me?
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
Why
I
is it
just
like that?
started.
Nice,
not
a good
take-
thing though.
Yeah.
This is a good thing.
Yeah.
But then I don't take those ballet breaks.
To
Those
go out.
wale?
Going out and all.
Okay, who says I'm burnout after one long day? I mean,
You.
who's the one who's like, I'm always
Shrishti.
tired?
Shishti.
She says,
Okay.
I'm going home now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And everyone come with me.
Oh, it's a sign to go on a vacation then.
Like I want to be like switch off my phones, but I can't.
Oh. Who's more likely to have a breakdown at work but still looking good doing it?
Shishti.
बहुत pressure है इन पे. Okay, who dresses like they're headed to a fashion week at the office?
Krati.
हाँ, Krati.
Okay, who still sends emails with punctuation and a signature line?
I think that person is missing.
Pankhudi.
Yeah.
She's a communication person, huh? So that's her duty.
Send it.
Okay, yaar.
Yeah.
Cool. Who actually uses phrases like the Lulu or main character energy at work?
Okay.
Ipshita.
I even have it on the back of my phone.
What?
Main character.
That is-
Achha, okay,
That
it's a
phrase.
cover. She's a true Gen Z.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Extra Gen Z.
Sorry.
Okay, who goes on vacation and posts out of office, not out of vibe?
Me, a day off.
She just posted last day.
We all saw it.
Okay, if I have to ask you your favorite vacation place, what would it be?
Mountains.
I need a beach kid.
Okay, you're a beach kid, you're a mountain kid, and you are.
Mountains.
I think I'm neither. I don't like beaches. I don't like I don't hate them, but I don't like them. I'm not a fan.
No,
I
what do
guess
you like?
cafes.
I think I don't like anything as of now. Because it's been a while since I've been on a vacation.
And so,
Okay, but
So
then
yeah,
you
I
have
desperately need it now. And if I can get it, I'll be exploring more things. And I'll be able to answer it better in the next
next
podcast. I'm actually manifesting it.
Okay.
When I get to go on a good vacation.
I'm definitely going to ask this question. But if I give you option between mountains and beaches to go for your next vacation, where will you go?
Beaches.
Okay, that's really fun. Any one advice that you would like to give to other generation, like the Gen Z to millennials and millennials to Gen Zs?
Not advice, but I think we have a lot to learn from Gen Zs. They have very different way of doing everything, not just work, but balancing their life and maintaining everything with family, friends, and colleagues and everything. So I think
And give
we need to
give
learn.
us a list of the slangs you use so that we can check.
I'll give you.
Yes.
I'll give you all the
Told you she's
keywords.
extra Gen Z. Okay, also she mentioned about the work. Like, so kabhi hua that you guys, like, because of the different opinions and these things, you had a clash or maybe a lot of misunderstandings?
That's like a daily thing
Thing
for
with
us.
us, yeah, we always
Yeah,
have that.
it happens like thrice. At
At
least
least
thrice
twice a day.
Twice a day.
कि ज़्यादा clash किस side से होते हैं, Gen Z या millennials?
There is always
Clash
opinion.
to, it doesn't matter.
But who objects more? Like, don't do
No,
this,
it's
don't
like
do that.
I think it's marketing and merchandising. It's not Gen Zs
Yeah,
and millennials.
yeah. It's like marketing has some ideas, merchandising has something different in mind. So
Mm.
that's always.
What advice you give to the millennials?
Please be less stressful and use different emojis except that thumbs up.
Everybody is obsessed with emojis.
Yeah.
She just wants emojis.
No, I don't want that thumbs up emoji.
What's your
That is
favorite emoji?
Crying one.
क्या?
Crying emoji.
Okay,
Crying
that
emoji.
goes with every
Okay,
emotion.
from next time I'm sending that in the
I
comment.
have good collection of stickers I'll send you.
What's your favorite emoji?
I like the sunflower. I send it to everybody. For no reason.
Mine is sort of weird. It's like that.
That's okay.
Which one?
It's like thoda not saying to anyone and not saying it.
So the zip one.
Almost closed eye
Eyes,
wala.
closed eyes and closed lips.
Irritating one.
Okay.
Oh
It's
my
just
God.
offline emoji. What's your
I
favorite
think the
emoji?
sunglass one, smiley, cool, stay cool, calm.
Nice. That's really sweet. Well, thank you so much, guys, for being here today. It was lovely talking to you all. Whatever it is, Gen Z versus millennials, both are the same. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time on That's So Mudita.
Bye.
Bye.